Another process that we can use to solve a system of equations is the process of elimination. And elimination is where you work with multiple equations simultaneously to eliminate one of the variables from those equations. So the steps that we follow are, the first thing we do is multiply one or both equations by constants so that the coefficients of one of the variables match. Okay. Then, because they match, you can either add or subtract the two equations to eliminate that variable. Then you have one variable left over, and so you solve for that. And then you can plug it in to either one of the equations to solve for the other variable. So let's go ahead and do an example of that. We have this system of equations, 3x plus y equals 1 and 5x plus 2y equals 1. So elimination is all about trying to get the coefficients in front of one of the variables to match. It doesn't really matter which one you do because it should work out either way. I'm going to match the coefficients on the y's. Okay. The reason I'm going to do that is because it's pretty easy. I've got a 2y right here, so I can take this first equation and multiply it by a 2, and that will give me a 2y right there as well. So what I end up with is a new system of equations with a 6x plus 2y equals 2. Okay, I multiplied this entire equation by 2. And then my second equation is the same, 5x plus 2y is equal to 1. Then what we do is we either add or subtract the two equations to eliminate this y, since they have the same coefficient. They are both a positive, so I need to subtract them to be able to cancel. So we're going to take equation 1 and subtract equation 2. All right, and what that's going to give us on the left side is we're going to cancel out this 2y on both of those, and then we'll end up with just 6x minus 5x, which is x. Okay, and that equals, and then on the right side of the equals, we have 2 minus 1, and that's, of course, just 1. So now we have that x equals 1, and we can plug that into either one of these equations. I'm going to go ahead and just plug it into the first equation. We have 3x, so 3 times 1, plus y equals 1. And then solve for y. We get y equals 1 minus 3, which is negative 2. Okay, so our solution is x equals 1 and y equals negative 2. Or as an ordered pair, 1, negative 2.